Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this adorable doll dress in DTI. So it's time to bring your inner doll to life. In this DTI tutorial, I'll show you how you can create the cutest, most adorable doll inspired outfit that will have everyone doing a double take. So this is how the dress will look like. Know why it's glitchy like this, but this is how it will look. So what you need to do is just combine this. So first one, you can go to the closet and put this top on, and here I'm going to change it into white. And next one, you can just go to this dress. You can use this sleeveless dress in here and use the color that you like. For example, I'm going to go with this pink color, this one. And after that, you can go to the tank top shelf and use this one again. Now use the same color like the dress. And there are two more that you need to use. You can go to the skirt rack in here and use these two. It's the same color, and you are done just like that. So this is the final look. You can complete it with accessory like shoes and others. So that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.